The Alienware Command Center software is available for any system that uses an Alienware peripheral, such as a keyboard, mouse, or headset. Keep watching to learn how to download Command Center for Dell G Series and non-Dell computers. Go to dell.com/support and identify your system automatically or by typing in the service tag. Select Drivers and Downloads and then click Expand to view the full list for your system. Set the category as Application. Download the file Alienware Command Center 6.exfil installer for Alienware Dell G Series system. If you don't have a Dell system but need the Command Center for your Alienware peripherals, click on the link shown to download the latest version. You can also find the download on the Dell support website. Open the installation file once it finishes downloading. Make sure the Alienware peripheral you want to configure with the app is connected to the computer. This will allow the app to identify which specific controllers and features will be available. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once the installation is complete, open the app and allow it to search for and download any additional components. The app will also recognize and prepare for any Alienware peripheral connected. Now let's go over the features offered in Alienware Command Center 6.x. The dashboard tab adjusts based on the system or gaming mode. When in system mode, it shows your Alienware setup and performance stats and allows you to select modes. The Performance tab shows your current mode and lets you switch between performance and thermal views. These views display CPU and GPU usage, memory, temperature, and fan speeds. In the Alien FX tab, you can manage presets, lighting, multi-select keys for lighting zones, key binding, and settings. The Game Library tab lets you search, filter, sort, and customize your games. You can also add games manually and change their settings. If you have any questions about the Alienware Command Center, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Also, make sure to check out our Command Center overview video and subscribe to our channel for more Alienware support content.